Hello, traders. This is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market-leading stocks via our proprietary scans for Thursday, October 30th, 2014. This is the day of the Fed meeting, so we could see a bit more of a move tomorrow after everybody sorts through the release. Here's a look at the NASDAQ sector. We have some volume bumps here. Those are definitely the ones to focus on. Wynn Resort's got a volume bump, the contra candle, and is sufficiently below the day's open with an open close deviation. First Solar is close to an open close deviation, but that one's trading light volume. Entertainment Arts has a downside RPS with a volume bump, so that one's going to be interesting. Baba's trading good volume, but doesn't have a signal either way. Moving on to the financials, again, mostly light volume like we've seen the last couple of days. We've got a RPS in Bank of America, Huntington Bancorp, and MetLife is flirting with a contra candle to the downside. Energy is where things are a little bit more interesting. We've got more of a consistent lineup here. We've got contra candles setting up in about half of our names here, though most of them are on fairly light volume, but there's some very big movements. Devon, PBR, and Valero all have open close deviations. So going to see some pretty big and bearish candles on the daily charts left over from today's session. Moving on to the generals, this is kind of pathetic here that we can't get more signals out of this, but it is what it is. And I think probably the reason is it's on very, very light volume. So we'll have to see if volume comes back in tomorrow. It gives us a more definitive read on the market generals. Housing names, absence of signals more or less on both sides here, and mostly very light volume. CSX has an upside CPS, but that one's on very, very light volume. Keep an eye on some of these names. Lowe's, LOW, setting up a range high. Not quite outside day down, but we're deep in the bar count on the daily, so that one could be interesting. And for the commodities, we had some movement today after the results. We traded GLD to the short side. That was real nice. After the Fed announcement came out, that was a nice clean trade to the downside. Some of these precious metal stocks are pretty weak. U.S. Steel trading good volume, 5% below the day's open with that downside continuation indicated for tomorrow. Double G, 3% below the day's open. ABX, 3% below the day's open. So these are the expanded ranges that we were alluding to in the previous reports that we did get today. So we played it today via the GLD, the ETF itself. So you can play it either way you want. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.